this is how you have to say
In Tamil.
in Tamil. I forgot.
Oh my god, this guest is so dumb. Like, let me tell you, I don't.
Sorry. Cut.
If I do cut, retake, how can I complete this video even?
I'll teach you a new word.
Please, someone take her. She is not my guest. Please go. If I have North Indian people here with hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video you will be getting some nice crispy and lot of content in this video, because in the last video you gave me so many positive comments also and hate comment also. So I thought, I took it very positively, some of the comment, why not to learn Tamil. So I got comments, and if you haven't watched that video, it's in the description, you can watch it out. And before starting the video, in this video I just wanted to tell you, like in this video I have one plan, I can say. So I have in my ODC, there are so many people who always help me to learn Tamil, some basic language or basic like the greetings and all. So I have one guest here, or my best friend also. So today she will come in this video and she will help us to learn Tamil. So please welcome Shrutia. So this is Shrutia. She's from my
Project.
I can say project, and we are best friends, and she always used to help me to learn Tamil and help me to collab with people and to communicate. So yeah, she's very best. So let's get started.
Not
you want
as
to say
sweet as
something?
you. Hey, hi all. So Reena is giving over build up, but one part is true. I'm her best friend in this ODC. So what are we gonna do today, Reena?
Okay, so
Not a dance reel?
No.
Oh.
So you will be helping us to tell. I will ask some of the sentence. Like I will say how like this sentence in Hindi. So you have to help me how we can say in Tamil. So I will be repeating your sentence.
Okay.
Okay. Then let's get started. So we will start with greetings. So I know like how we say namaskar. So we used to say vanakkam, right?
Vanakkam.
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 Vanakkam. I'm new in pronunciation and all, so please,
Mind us.
don't mind me. Yeah. So, okay. Then we have greetings. Namaskar is already covered. Vanakkam we used to say in Tamil. And then how to say how are you? Like, aap kaise ho?
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Eppadi irikkinge.
Very good.
Thank you.
And when someone is asking how are you, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க, you have to say நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன்.
நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன்.
It means I'm good. And you have to ask நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? How are you?
Okay.
நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Too good.
Yeah. So, and also there is one more thing which I face recently nowadays. If you go somewhere in the market and all, so if you wanted to let them know you don't know Tamil, so how can I speak like I don't know Tamil? I guess Tamil purile, right?
Sorry, எனக்கு தமிழ் தெரியாது.
Sorry, எனக்கு தமிழ் தெரியாதே.
Very good.
But
She is a
trust me,
quick
guys.
learner, guys.
Yeah, but trust me, when we used to communicate, right? She always used to say me, you have to say this in Tamil like this. I always did mistake in pronunciation. And I don't know how I'm very correct now. So yeah, okay, then we are good in this. But this is the like one of the recent issue I faced.
Yeah, so basically if you want to say someone, let us say it is a shopkeeper or someone you know, you can simply say sorry எனக்கு தமிழ் தெரியாது. It means sorry, माफ कीजिए, मुझे तमिल नहीं पता है. I don't know Tamil.
By the way, sorry to interrupt. You know the best part, she knows 3 languages, guys. English, Hindi and Tamil. Seriously. And you know Malayalam also, right? You can't speak Malayalam, I guess.
I can understand Malayalam and Telugu.
Oh, see guys, we do have extraordinary people with us, so
Okay.
yeah, she knows. So yeah, coming to the point.
Yeah.
So how like if I wanted to ask had food, so how can we say that? Like
So
how can we
in
ask?
this there are 2 things. So if you are talking to the elderly people who are older than you, you have to ask like சாப்பிட்டீங்களா.
Okay,
Say, repeat.
like for giving respect
Haan.
to elder people, you can say Saptingla.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, I knew this because we have an Anna in my PG. So I used to ask, like, basically you will be greeting and all, it will be there, no. So I used to ask him Saptingla. So he used to, like, very excited. Oh, you know Tamil, you know this word. Yeah, and yeah, okay. And then for casual, like for the young people and like for our friends,
Yeah, Saptiya.
Saptiya. Okay.
And if someone asks you Saptingla or Saptiya, you have to repeat Saptan. If you had food, you can
Okay.
say Saptan.
ओके सो इफ अगर हमने खाना खा लिया है तो इट मीन्स साप्टे
Yes.
टू फॉर दिस एल्डर पीपल लाइक
Everyone. It is
so we
like,
can use this
yeah,
for everyone.
Saptan.
Okay, and then I think greeting parties
There
already
is
covered.
one important thing. Reena learned 2 good words in Tamil when she joined ODC. Do you remember it?
No, I don't want to.
Appadiya. Pallava.
I seriously, I know only 2 words and I used to use that words very oftenly. One is appadiya. Appadiya, it means like acha, how we used to say in Hindi, right? Oh, acha.
Is it?
As
Yeah.
is it in English, yeah. So in every word you can use like this appadiya. And then there is one more interesting word. I know people, if I have North Indian people here with me, so they will they will laugh on me, but yeah, I have to tell you one word. Chumma. Chumma is not a kiss here, I can say, but chumma means casual.
Bas yu hi.
Bas yu hi.
Yeah.
So there are some words which has different meaning in North and which has double or like directly different meaning in Tamil. So you have to use carefully, right?
Yeah.
Because I already face so many things I don't want to say it. Yeah.
It happens, right? So
Yeah.
India is a very diverse country. So we make sure we are so like we just have to know what we are talking before talking with anyone else who is from a different language or a state. So yeah, next word is Palama. That means shall we go?
Shall we go?
Reena
like
is a
that?
specialist in asking. That attitude we'd never get it.
Yeah.
So ask.
You have to say in very politely Palama, like that. if you want to ask like let's go for lunch or can we go, so it will cover, I guess it will cover both, right?
Yeah,
Can
yeah.
or let's
Can,
go, like that.
it just means like can we go?
Like that. So we used to say polama for lunch, like that. I literally used to use these words nowadays
Yeah.
very very regularly. Polama, appadiya. And I used to say in my home, like just now I went to my home, so I used to use this very oftenly word. So my mom used to ask, what is this appadiya? What is this polama? It just coming on my
Yeah.
mouth.
She is getting used to Tamil more than Hindi nowadays.
Yeah. And
We are making her learn.
And seriously, I wanted to learn Tamil also, to be very honest, because I always very excited to know the culture or the language of different state. So it's not about Tamil also. When I went to my Bangalore, no, so there also I learned some Kannada words.
Yeah.
And the best part, I have some roommate in my college. So that time also I knew this Telugu, yeah. They are
Okay.
from Andhra. So I knew some Telugu words. Not bad words, but yes, good words also. I think we cover most of the part, I guess, the greetings and the basic one.
Yeah.
So let's wrap up.
One last thing. So if you are in Chennai, you have to know one word. I'm a RCB fan, guys, but I love CSK. So you have to learn one word mandatorily, which Dhoni also says. It is like whistle pode.
Whistle pode, but I can't.
No, like just say whistle pode.
Whistle pode. And please, guys, we are making this video just for like the fun purpose, you can
Yeah.
say. This video is not for like how
Hate
can I
com-
put, yeah,
This is
not
just
for the
a-
hate comments
yeah,
or not
this-
for the particular society or particular things.
Yeah.
So please enjoy this video and let me know if you have any opinion about us, like learning Tamil and all. And let me know also if you wanted me to focus on this video and to learn Tamil. And you can also tell me some of the basic words so that I can enjoy in Chennai.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. And
Bye.
Shruti, thank you so much for coming in this video and
Anything
helping
for
me.
you.
Yeah. Okay guys. Bye. Thanks for
Bye.
watching. Like, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
And the bell button.
Yeah. Thank you.